Hey everyone, great to see you again. Minimax, also known as H.AI, has rolled out a groundbreaking new feature designed to tackle the challenge of consistent character representation. Now you can easily import your character's image as a subject reference and generate videos of that character with impressive accuracy. While this feature hasn't officially launched on H.AI's website yet, I've got something exciting for you. I'll share an early access link so you can be among the first to try it out. Personally, if I share my thoughts on Minimax's new update, I'd sum it up in one word: amazing. Creating AI movies has never been this easy. While generating complex scenes can still present some challenges, the level of character consistency it offers is absolutely remarkable. Take this example. I uploaded this character as a subject reference, and it generated this video. Just look at how flawlessly it keeps the face consistent throughout. It's really impressive. In this second example, I used the same reference image but generated a completely different scene using the prompt. And once again, you can see how impressively it keeps the face consistent. Here's another example. I used this girl's face as the subject reference and gave the prompt: woman stands up and starts doing Arabic belly dance. The result? The facial expressions and the overall video have been generated impressively well. Now, I'm excited to share some incredibly useful tips and video suggestions with you. These resources will help you master the art of creating AI movies and take your skills to the next level. For instance, if you watch this video and train ChatGPT to create prompts for you, it can take care of all the hassle of prompting. Trust me, once you train it, ChatGPT becomes incredibly effective at generating top-notch prompts. Here, I have already trained ChatGPT on a short story script, and this is the script. Now, if I want to create a scene based on this script, ChatGPT will take care of writing the prompts since I've already trained it. For instance, if I need a scene where the main character is shown praying to God, I'll just copy that specific part from the script and give it to ChatGPT. It will then generate the perfect prompt for me. Once that's done, I'll just copy the prompt, upload the reference image to Minimax, paste the prompt, and generate the video effortlessly. Here's the generated video. Take a look at how consistent our character is. Since the story revolves around a person stranded on an island, ChatGPT included all the necessary details in the prompt, thanks to its training. Notice how even the character's clothing stays consistent. The slightly torn t-shirt gives off the vibe of an accident, and the background perfectly captures the beach and waves. All of this was seamlessly added by ChatGPT, showcasing the huge benefit of training it for tasks like. Now, let's try generating another scene. This time, I want to see John cooking. So I'll simply type, John cooking fish on an island at night, and send it to ChatGPT. Next, ChatGPT will generate a prompt for me, including all the essential details. This time, we'll also observe if the clothing stays consistent as well. Next, we'll copy the prompt and paste it into Minimax, then generate the video. Here's the generated video. Let's check it out. As you can see in this video, the character's face remains consistent. His clothes seem wet, probably because he just came back from catching fish, a detail ChatGPT cleverly adds to the prompt. In the next scene, we'll get a clearer idea of how well it maintains consistency. But overall, this video turned out pretty good. Alright, everyone, let's try generating another scene. This time, I want to see a lion attacking John. All we need to do is type a lion attack on John in the prompt and send it to ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT generates the prompt, we'll paste it into Minimax and create the video. The video is ready. Let's play it and check out the results. In this video, you'll notice that the character's clothes and face remain consistent. However, the lion's attack looks a bit odd. I think regenerating the scene could help fix that. Now let me show you how you can access this feature. All you need to do is visit the URL I'll share in the description. Once there, sign up and give it a try. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.